Perks of roughing it. Going through my clothes and finding a cockroach. It's a good thing I grew up in the South and I can handle a cockroach, but so many bugs. So many bugs. Ugh. Ooh. Hey y'all, I'm Ashton. I recently left Texas for a world of adventure in the Caribbean and beyond. So join me as I journey to find the prettiest sunsets, friendliest sea life, epic views, and the best beach bars. Stay curious, friends, and enjoy the ride. After all, to live would be an awfully big adventure. Not sure what this is, but it looks fancy. Something. Biggest petrified tree? I don't think that's a tree. It's a rock! Alright, almost 8 hours of driving today from Ruidoso to Sedona. I'm here, I made it to my little glamping cabin. I'm like, check the view. So I ran over to Whole Foods and just got a little chicken teriyaki bowl to eat tonight because I'm exhausted. And so I'm just eating my chicken teriyaki bowl with that view. I'm just gonna watch the sunset here. Like, how perfect. How perfect. It's totally different than my TP last night. Very different from my TP from last night. But it's beautiful. It's wonderful. I'm so glad I came here. Okay. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see me on the GoPro. It is 4:32 in the morning. And it's my first morning in Sedona, and I'm heading out to hike the Devil's Bridge for, normally not a morning, well, not that I'm not a morning person. Once I'm up and moving, I'm going. I'm good. But I've heard it's like such a popular place, which obviously is why I want to go, that you really have to get there super early in order to A, get a parking spot, and B, be able to take a picture. Like, apparently people stand in line for hours to get a picture there, which it's worth it, I would do, but if I can get there earlier and not have to stand in line for hours to take a picture, also down for that. Another reason I'm doing it so early is because I've got to find a place to do laundry today.
800 feet at the traffic circle. Take the second exit onto Arizona 89A.
Second exit. I've got to do laundry today, y'all. It's been a week and a half and I got to do some laundry. After I hike that, I should be back around lunchtime and can find some time to do that, and then I'll kind of plan from there. That's as far as I've planned. Yeah, I'm super excited. This place is gorgeous. I can't wait to get there and see it and watch the sunrise and take some pictures. Second exit, I think is what Siri says. First one on the trail this morning. It's the very first one in the parking lot. I'm super excited because someone came up right behind me. I was like, I gotta be the first. Apparently it's this very dirt road, like a mile. Oh, there's stuff all over the camera. It's a dirt road and it's like cool out here, like chilly cool. If you have a high clearance vehicle, you can drive in a little bit more. I might have been able to make this on Lexi. I wasn't really wanting to do that to her. I don't know what of this you can see or hear, or I'm ready. I've had my coffee. Got a lot of water. I've also got an iced tea. It's not so iced. Okay. Well, someone in a Jeep just beat me. I'm no longer the first person. I'm a little sad about it. Apparently I need a Jeep and not a Lexus. Okay, so So now I'm on the actual trail. People in the Jeep weren't on the trail yet. So I'm still good. Still the first person up there. They were very concerned that I was by myself and in the dark. I get that. I'm like running to get up there. So when I come back, it'll be hella hot, but I can do it a little slower. All right, it's finally light enough outside. You can see the trail and hear me huffing and puffing because I'm like running up this to make it in time. Definitely putting music over this. Did it. It was a success. It's only like 6:30 in the morning. So I'm kind of hiking around the corner just to see the sunrise on the mountains, and then I'll head back down before it gets really hot. There were only a few other people up here with us. I got as much picture and video as I wanted. It's beautiful here. I love it. Okay. I mean, the mountains were gorgeous in New Mexico. This might take the cake. I super extra love it here. But it's only 6:30 in the morning and it's like 85 degrees, so maybe a little bit warm. That's fine. A little sweat never hurt anyone, right? Right? So I made it up here in the dark, but apparently can't figure out how to get down in the light. Maybe it was like that 5:30 a.m. rush. I'm not quite sure how I made it up this. Ooh. Maybe it just felt like stairs going up. That's how I made it, is because it just felt like stairs. I mean, it is stairs. Look. It's just stairs all the way up and stairs all the way down. It's just much harder going down. Or maybe it's scarier. I don't know. Either way, I need some breakfast and more coffee. Yes. I got scolded by an old man for not wearing a mask. I was not standing within 6 feet of him. There's like a dozen people on this trail, maybe. I was like, I'm sorry, dude. He was like, why don't young people wear masks? I was like, for starters, I'm 31. Not that young, but thanks. Very bright sunrise. Just heading back down. Ooh, maybe. I did all this in the dark, so this is where I came in. It's really bright. And that is the trailhead. Right up there. And then this is a Jeep route that I walked about a mile down. Highly, highly, highly recommend just getting up early, grabbing a headlamp, and hiking in the dark. It's super easy to do in the dark. I get lost like all day, every day. I'm always lost. So yeah, just grab a headlamp, follow the signs, and definitely get there for sunrise. 100% worth it. 100%. And now I've got the whole rest of the day to do whatever I want. Okay, they weren't lying. Get here early because there's no parking. None. All right, 8 a.m., 8:05. Back in the car. Did a full hike. I don't even know how long that is. It says it was like 4-ish miles in and out. So I've got the whole day ahead of me. Need to do some laundry. I'm so happy with the decision to get up this early and do this. It was awesome. It was amazing. It was perfect. Highly, highly recommend it.
Turn left to stay on Dry Creek Road.
Don't be like these people who are just coming in now because they're not going to find parking, and it's going to be hot as hell up there. Literally, like Hades. Did Devil's Bridge this morning. Man, I'm exhausted. I think everything's just kind of like going and going and going is kind of caught up with me. So I just kind of took it easy tonight. I really wanted to do Cathedral Rock for sunset tonight, and that did not happen. I was exhausted. I've got blisters, which I got in Marfa and just have not been able to get rid of. I just kind of am taking it easy, and then I'll get up and kind of decide what I want to do in the morning based on how I'm feeling. It's like good and bad. Like I wish I had more energy that I could just go, but I'm on like day 9, I think, of travel. I just needed a little break, little rest after my morning coffee. Then we will make the decision. All right, decided to go for it. I'm hiking not the Easy Breezy Trail. That's not what I'm doing. Cathedral Rock. I'm not sure if it's that guy or not, but doing it for sunset, which means I kind of have to boogie because there was this storm and I wasn't sure if it was gonna hit, so I waited. So anyways, yep. Forgot to mention, it's also 110 degrees today. This girl needs some humidity. So dry. Holy smokes, guys. This is cool. Walk out to the ledge and see if it's as scary as it looks. It looks a little scary. Okay, so watch your step. It's still looking scary. It's driving on the wrong side of the road. If you enjoyed this episode, you can check out more at ashtononadventure.com or hit subscribe up at the top and follow along on the next adventure.